In today's video, we want to show you how to sync your iPhone 11 with a pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds. Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video, we want to show you how to sync your iPhone 11 to a pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds. So for demonstration purposes, we have our iPhone 11, and this is my wife's phone. I want to thank her for allowing me to use it in this video. And I've fooled with this phone for a little bit, and this is a very nice phone, the iPhone 11. And so of course there's two others that came along with this phone. They're the iPhone 11 Pro and the iPhone 11 Pro Max. But this is the iPhone 11. This is the 6.1 inch iPhone, and it's kind of like it's read in between the other two. It's a 6.1 inch. The iPhone Pro is 5.8 inches, and the iPhone Pro Max, I believe, is 6.5 inches. But this is definitely a nice device. Now, if you guys are interested in any of these items, the Galaxy Buds or the iPhone 11, we will leave links down in the description area. But I believe you can pick up this iPhone 11 right now, 64 gigs on Amazon for only $695. And so over here we have our Galaxy Buds. These are considered silver, and you can pick these up off of Amazon for $100. The regular price of these are $129, so this is a pretty good buy to get them for only $100. Now I have a pair of these myself, and these are awesome. So I thought I'd get a pair and let my wife check them out and see what she thought of them. Also, but what we want to do today is show you how to sync up these buds with your iPhone 11. So what we're going to do very quick is go ahead and open them up and take a look at them. And so, of course, like we said, these are called the silver. Let's open up this box here first and see what's inside. So the first thing we see after getting the box open, we see we have our charging cord. And that's one thing that's good about the Galaxy Buds, as it uses USB-C. And so that's definitely faster charging times with that. So we're going to set that down. And also inside of here, the buds come with extra ear tips and ear wings. So these are the wings itself, and as you can see, this is marked with an L, so that's for the left side of the ear. You get two sizes of tips here. You get this one with the wing on it, and then you get some others that if you don't really like that piece on there, it doesn't have it. And so we have the ear tips, and you got three sets of ear tips. You got the large, medium, and small. And I believe what's in this box here is the large and the small. So we would have the mediums on the device itself. So let's go ahead and grab the earbuds. Like I said, has a USB-C charging port on it. And when you charge the earbuds, it charges the case and the earbuds too. And so you get about 6 hours of charge time, you get 6 hours of battery life with the earbuds, and because the case charges, you get another 7 hours of charging from it. And so this is a pretty sleek little case here. It's very small, so it'll be no problem carrying it in your pocket. So when you open it up, this is what the earbuds look like. Now those are very nice looking, very nice looking. Of course, you saw the LED light on the front and the back, and it's green when they're charged and red when they are being charged. So when you look at them a little closely, they're pretty small, and again you see the markings for the right ear, and there's an L here for the left ear, and they fit in there very comfortable. Now I must say, like I said, I have a pair of these myself, and I wear them all the time, and they never hurt. So that is extremely a good thing. I've fallen asleep many times with them in my ears, and wake up and they're either in the bed or still in my ear. But no matter how long I keep them in, I've never had a problem with them. And so that's pretty big. I can't say that about any other earplugs I've ever used before. So these are excellent. And one thing I like too about the little iridescent thing on the iridescence on the sides of it, kind of matches my wife's phone here too. So that's a pretty good look in itself. So we're going to go ahead and set the buds down, and we're going to go ahead and get them connected together with the phone, and we're going to see how quickly we can do that. So the first thing we need to do to be able to sync our phone to our Galaxy Buds is we need to go to our settings. And once you get into the settings, you need to look for Bluetooth. Tap on Bluetooth, and you need to make sure the Bluetooth is on. So it's showing green there, so it definitely is on. So we're going to go over to the Buds, set the phone back down there for a second, and we're going to open up the Buds real quick. Now with the Galaxy devices, you can open them up and it will pair or connect to the Galaxy devices very quickly. And voila, they did the same with the iPhone. As you can see, it says Galaxy Buds, parentheses OC9A, parentheses. And so now that they're connected, well, if picking them up, we just need to tap on there to connect the buds. And so I'm tapping on there, it says connected now. And so it's all ready connected to the buds. So that is really very, very nice. I'm very impressed with that. I didn't realize it would do that. So now we want to take our phone here, and we want to close out of the settings, and we want to see how the buds sound with some music. So we're going to go to our music section on our iPhone and pick something to play. And so we chose that song, but we're going to pull down our menu here so we can see our player there. And as you can see, it's playing already. It's counting down. It's at 0.9 seconds. So we're going to set that there. And we're going to reach over here and grab our buds. We're going to grab a right bud, stick it in our ear, and grab our left bud and stick it in the other ear. Now when you stick them in there, they automatically make a little sound to acknowledge that they are in your ear and they're ready to play. And so as you can see, the song is playing. We hit pause to stop it from playing. Now what's kind of cool with the earbuds too is you get some controls even with the iPhone devices. Now when you go from an item that's generally used with an Android device to an iOS device, you might lose some of the things you can do, and vice versa. If you were to use some AirPods with an Android device, you probably lose some of the things they can do also. But the cool thing you can do with the iPhone and the Galaxy Buds is you have some controls that you can do by, and I'm gonna pull up one of the buds out. You can tap on the top, on the front of it there to pause and play, and then with the right side one, you can tap and hold, and the volume will go up. And then on the left side, you can tap to pause and play too. And then if you were to tap and hold, you'll see the volume go down. Let's try that real quick. So I'm gonna put the right one, again, this is the right one. I'm gonna put that back in my ear right quick. And as you can see, the song has been paused. So I'm gonna tap it once. And as you can see, it's playing. Now I'm going to tap it with my left ear once, and you can see it stopped. So that's pretty cool. Now we're going to go back to the right ear, and use my right hand. I'm going to tap it to play, and then I'm going to hold the earbud down for a second, and you'll see the volume go up. So I'm tapping it to play, and so it's playing, as you can see. And now I'm going to hold down on it, and you can see the volume increasing. That little white line, I'm going to do it again. You see the volume increasing and it gets louder. So now we're going to take our left hand and we're going to show you, going to tap to pause it, and tap it to play. But now we're going to hold it down, and you can see the volume going down on the earbuds. Now listening to it, the sound sounds very good, very nice. And I like them. Like I said, I own a pair already, so I already like the way they sound. But they sound pretty good. They sound really good with the iPhone 2. So that's about it for our video today. How to sync your Samsung Galaxy Buds with your iPhone 11. So hopefully we shared something that you use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button too. And be sure to hit the bell icon also so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.